Madam, bring my orange now.
See, you don't care. Oh my God! Don't kill her. Oh my God! What
What's going on? Why are you still in bed? You're not even getting ready. Don't tell me you've forgotten what today is. It is a bad omen to keep your in-laws waiting.
How could I have forgotten? I'm sorry, Mom. I will join you downstairs in a minute.
Martha! Martha!
What kind of dream is this?
Greetings, Your Majesty.
Oh no, you're here. Oh no, oh no. You're welcome. Oh no, I hope everything is set for today.
Yes, everything is set and we are standing by to go.
Please, extend my greetings to my in-laws and help me assure them that their daughter is in safe hands.
Your message will be delivered, Your Majesty.
Greetings, Ono.
Greetings to Grace.
You guys.
Thank you.
Where is your son? Has he forgotten what today stands for?
Not at all, my king. He'll be with us shortly.
Anyway, I wish you safe trip as you go, while I expect your safe return.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Meanwhile, Ono, let me show you the things we are going with.
How many times have I warned you to stay clear from this land? I don't just character to talk. What are you doing in this land?
Which land? This land belongs to my husband. And anything that belongs to my husband also belongs to me. Allah won't care. So it's also my own to farm on. Ogini.
You are now challenging me over my own property. Which
property? Which property?
My property. My own property.
The last time Ndojala got into this matter, they told you to stay clear. Stay far away from this land. Eh? You want me to call them? You want me to inform them so that can saganya saginti go doganya? Okay?
Is that what you're trying to tell me? Or you think I don't even know your plans, your movement with those Ndojala? The troop into your house and go out every night.
Let me tell you. On wadike ka na ekwu make. On wadike ka ga na ke poor. Go and mourn your loss. You see this land? I will continue to farm on it. I will continue to plant on it. And I will continue to harvest on it forever and ever.
Osasu, why you cooking your man? Get out of my life! Get out of my life!
You don't get it. And I will continue to farm here. I will continue to farm here.
Okay. You will see. You will see.
You will see. You will more than see. On your jaw. On your roll.
Today is a most remarkable day. A day we will never forget in the history of this kingdom. Today my son, the Prince of Umukala, decided to take that step expected of every man. I present to you the great people of Umukala, my son and his beautiful bride. And please, step forward and receive your royal blessings. I, King Nelson Idika, the Ezugo, second of Umukala, hereby bless this union.
Take it easy, okay? Everything is going to be alright. Just take it easy. Excuse me. Please. What's going on?
She's fine. Calm down.
Where is the doctor?
He's going to come.
I'm sorry. We lost her.
Shit!
Tears cannot help me now. Power is useless right now.
Calm down.
Nowhere to hide, nowhere to run from the things I have done. I wish I could cry it all away. No, but tears cannot help me now. Everything done in
Why did you do it?
I didn't do it.
Lies. Lies! I saw the look in your face. I saw how you sniffed life out of her. To what purpose? And I ask you again. Why did you do it? You see? Guilt wouldn't make you say a word. You can't even talk. Evil.
This is so shocking. Never seen anything like that in my whole life.
There is a spiritual connection to this event, Your Majesty. Yes. Some of these guys have a woman following them all around.
What's the meaning of that?
There is an old belief that these girls are initiated into spiritual cult, where they make promises on how long they are going to live on earth. Some of these girls promise that they will die immediately they get married.
Those ones are superstitious belief. What bothers me here is how our in-laws will take us, knowing fully well that their daughter died immediately she stepped her 2 legs into this compound. That's my fear.
Oh no. I want you to go with some elders to our in-laws' place and make arrangements for her burial.
Immediately, Your Highness. I will take my leave.
Tears cannot help me now. Power is useless right now. Nowhere to hide, nowhere to run from the things I have done. I wish I could cry.
Odua, I will not go anywhere. I was properly married into this compound. I will die here. Odua, leave me alone. Help my cow.
Go back to your father's compound.
I will not go anywhere.
Go back to your father's compound. Don't say no one you. I told you it's better than I have told you.
Ashamed of yourself.
Go back to your father's house.
Leave married women that their husband died alone. Leave widows alone.
You must leave, Akudo.
Enough, both of you. I said enough, both of you. What has come over you? And you, Odua, you are no longer a child. Look at white hairs coming out. You are old to control your temper. And you, Akudo, you are an old woman. You are supposed to control yourself. This Odua you are looking at is your brother-in-law, isn't it?
And also your husband.
Akudo's stay in this house is worthless. After all, she bear no son to my late brother. I don't know why she was allowed to occupy this house. As a matter of fact, hence it concerns house and land, they are all mine. They belong to me.
Odua. This is a matter we have discussed before. I'm surprised that we are here again discussing the same matter we have forgotten.
Because the land and the house, as a matter of fact, belong to me. They are mine, so we have to talk about it.
Odua, listen. You are sitting before the Ndoja. You are sitting before the Ndojan. We are empowered to see about all land issues. Huh? And today, we order you, never you near that land again.
It is so.
Never!
Mazo Odua, the land in question does not belong to you. It belongs to Akudo. Hear me loud and clear now, because I don't want to repeat this thing again. If you are seen moving around that land, you are looking for trouble. Don't ever go to that land again. Please, if you venture go to near that land again, you will pay a very fat fine. And the 10 gallons of palm wine. Don't encroach on that land again. Please. On your day and me.
Nine. I don't know why you said you are not eating inside. I'm assuming when Kabido. Where is the food? Let me go and bring your water. Touch your food.
They say there is nothing the eye see and bleeding.
Kabeso.
But my eyes are bleeding.
God forbid. Told him. Wait. What is it?
She was so full of life when we were in the compound.
It's true.
Immediately she stepped her foot in the palace. Fiam! Like the wind. She was dead.
Hey. But tonight,
why?
Everything happens for a reason.
Hi. Prince Zeta is just a boy. A boy full of life with bright future. Being a widow at this age is bad omen. Hi.
Nah. Fate. That's the reason. I thought you said for please eat your food. Oh? God knows the answer. Oh no. Please.
Ibido.
My prince.
What's going on here?
Greetings, Your Majesty. Greetings, Your Majesty. My prince has refused to come down all day and has refused to eat his breakfast nor his lunch. And I've been here knocking, no one seems to answer.
Are you sure?
Yes, Your Majesty.
You can go back to your duty post. I'll take care of it.
Thank you.
Cheta? Chetana! Open the door if you're in there.
Your Majesty, I don't think he's inside. My friends. My friends.
What's going on here?
Greetings, Your Majesty. Greetings, Your Majesty. My prince has refused to come down all day and has refused to eat his breakfast nor his lunch. And I've been here knocking, no one seems to answer.
Are you sure?
Yes, Your Majesty.
You can go back to your duty post. I'll take care of it.
Thank you.
Cheta? Chetana! Open the door if you're in there.
Your Majesty, I don't think he's inside.
Tears cannot help me now. Power is useless
Cheta.
right now. Nowhere to
Cheta.
hide, nowhere to run.
I'm fine. There is no need to ask.
How can you say you are fine? Tell me, brother. How are you fine? Come of it, brother. Show me someone who takes liquor just the way you do, and I will show you a drunkard, which I know you are not. Why are you doing this to yourself?
I don't care anymore.
Tell me, brother, how do you think Rose would feel seeing you like this? You don't think we want to see you move on? You can't be like this. You can't be making a mess out of yourself. Because of what? The things you're doing right now, it hurts. It hurts me. This is not good for your body.
What do you have me do? Tell me. What will you have me do? Take a look at me. Are you in this alone?
No, you cannot say that. You can't. You have father. You have mother. Okay, Cheta. What about me? You have me. You can't be alone. You can't be doing this to yourself. Stop it.
Let go! Leave me alone.
Cheta, you have us. You can't be doing this to yourself. We are always here to support you in your sober moments. This is not good.
Let go! Let go! Leave it! Leave me alone! Leave me alone!
Just
let me alone.
Stop doing this. Just leave me alone. Stop it.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Thank you very much, my Honorable Commissioner, for the call. I look forward to your visit. Thank you. Thank you. You look worked up. What is the problem?
Your son. He has refused to come out of his chambers.
How do you mean?
I don't know if he's trying to starve himself to death. I've tried everything to make him open the door. All to no avail.
Hey. Ugeze. Ugeze.
Okay.
Sit down. Sometimes a man needs that place of tranquility to try to recover himself without anyone's assistance. Listen, a man has to be a man. Don't let that bother you.
My king, it's about our son. Our only son. That's why I'm worried. I suggest we send him out of the country.
Can you listen to yourself? Why should you even suggest that? When he's supposed to be around to learn more since he's taken over from me as a king. It's your corner number, Naj.
No, my king.
So don't let that bother you.
I'm sorry.
Have you made my favorite lunch?
Very well, my king.
Okay, in that case, serve me in my room.
My king!
I said in my room.
Okay!
Both of you, I need you to come with me to the kitchen right now.
So now reaching your phone is like going to hell and returning back.
Oh my god.
What's up with you?
Oh, I'm so sorry. You know, we are not allowed to turn on our phones while we're in the court.
My princess.
Yes, I know that, Chidima. But at least you should have returned my calls.
But I tried.
Court demands that you return my calls.
I tried. Just try.
Please, I know. I just had.
Wow. Who? Who do we have here?
You finally stepped out. Tell me, bro, where are you going to?
Heading to the cemetery to pay my wife a visit.
Oh, I'm so sorry I heard about your loss. I was so busy with work, I could not make it up to. Okay, I'm so sorry.
My bad. Permit me to introduce you to my friend, Chidima. She's an attorney. Chidima, my brother, Cheta.
Wow, nice to meet you. I've heard so much about you. Yeah, she has told me a lot about you. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Excuse me.
Who's that? No way, come back. Doesn't know how to talk to a lady.
Nice to meet you.
Like I said,
Nice to meet you. Better. Alright, let me excuse you, ladies.
Oh, okay.
I'll see you.
Okay.
I hope this works like magic. What was that for? Oh, come off it. Shh, just keep quiet. Trust me on this. Let's sit and have some drinks.
Oh my God, thank you very much.
Thank you for coming.
What you do? Let's take some pictures.
Okay,
Did you miss me?
I missed
Well,
you.
you know the one that asked me to come around to come see you. Let's take some pictures, man. Yeah. Oh, okay, darling. So good. See, I will. Come on.
Get it right.
Oh, my brother is back. Hey, bro. Oh.
Hi, bro. Hey, she's about leaving.
I see you about leaving.
Yes, I am. You're welcome.
So, baby.
Okay,
Be good.
see you.
Bye.
Bye.
Hey, bro. Hey.
How long have you known Jimmy?
I've not Chidima since back in the days of all things. I just wonder why you don't remember. Don't you know her?
I think she's attractive.
Come on, bro. Are you trying to tell me to invite her? More often.
I never said so. I only said she's attractive.
You're still doing these things?
Yes, ma'am.
Are these things still good?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, wash it very well. Cook it and blend it. Be fast about it.
I'm ready, Your Majesty.
Very well then. Hurry and come back early.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Mom! Mommy! Oh my God, I'm so excited! What is it? Mom, this is the happiest moment of my life. Believe me!
Wait. You're now making me nervous. What is it? Talk to me.
Okay. I'll tell you. First of all, Cheta has finally decided to come out of the shell. Second of all, he's having interest in my friend.
What?
Yes!
Finally!
Finally! No, wait. I'm not yet sure, but I am sure it's gonna happen. Something's gonna happen.
Oh my God! I must break this wonderful news to your father. I can't wait!
No, wait! I'm not saying you should come. I'm not sure. But
Your father must hear this. Tell me that very wonderful news to him.
yes! Mom, wait for me!
This is good news, son. It's time we took the bull by the horn.
How do you mean?
We are running against time. It is important that we start the marriage rite immediately so that you can partake in the coming of age ceremony and your formal presentation as the crown heir of the kingdom.
I don't understand the importance of me being presented.
It is tradition, son. A kind of passage rite for sons who are crown heirs. I went through the same path, and your sons will probably do the same.
What if I am not ready?
So you don't have to worry about it. All you need to do is get ready for next week.
Mama, from the house of the royal family, I bring you this little token.
Hi! All this for me?
All this for you, Mama.
Hi! Hi! Who am I to find favor in the sight of the crown prince? Eh? Hi! God will bless you. God will replenish it for you into trillion folds in Jesus' name. Amen. Oh, my princess. Thank you, eh?
You're welcome, Mama. My friends, my princess. You people did not even tell me that you're coming so that we'll prepare for this great occasion.
Well, let's just say we decided to make it a surprise and to come unannounced.
Wow, thank you very much. Thank you.
What do I offer you?
Mama, we had enough before coming. You don't need to bother.
Please do not say no, please. I beg you.
My prince, this is the first time you are coming to my house.
Yeah.
And with the princess also. I must offer you something because it's a great privilege to us.
Yes.
I have to prepare something.
Yes, Mama, if you insist.
Come here.
Oh, thank you very much. I really appreciate it. You.
Can I have a word with you outside, please?
Oh, sure.
Okay.
It's serious. Oh. Oh my God, my brother, tell me that.
But that's the truth.
I believe you're not serious. You are not serious.
You share the same look with you.
My friend, it's natural. She's my mother. I just want to say thank you for the gifts you bought for us. Thank you. I really appreciate it. Okay?
Don't mention it. It's nothing. The truth is, I became a prisoner of love the moment I set my eyes on you. I haven't fallen like this for anyone else in a very long time. You want to know the truth? I have fallen in love with you. And I want you to know that I have been arrested by your simplicity and beauty.
Oh, my prince.
What? Please. There is no but. Please, I beg you. Let me into your beautiful world. I am certain that I will have peace and satisfaction in there. Please do not say no.
Also fall in love with you, my prince. Yes. I'm in love with you. I love you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I love you.
Love you too.
My friends, it was a wonderful outing. Yes, I really enjoyed myself.
You did?
Yes, I did.
Oh, alright.
But I have to go home now. My mother will be waiting for me.
Ah.
Yes.
Alright, but before then, there is one more thing.
Which is?
I have a surprise for you.
Surprise?
Yes.
Which is?
I just said a surprise.
Okay.
My friends, why is everywhere dark?
Say yes, and you will make me the happiest man in this world.
I'm so happy for you, my daughter.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Son, come here.
Thank you.
So happy for you too.
Friends.
Please, sister.
My mom is coming, so you have to exercise patience.
Alright.
My friends.
Oh, Mama.
Welcome.
Thank you very much.
How is the family?
Family is fine.
My daughter said you wanted to tell me something. Hope everything is okay.
Everything is alright, Mama. I just want to make it official. already you know we're getting married, so I just want to let you know that the next week my family and I will be coming for the marriage rites.
Eh?
Yes.
Oh, yes. Hi! Congratulations, my children. Hi! Let me bless you.
Oh, thank you.
Give me your hand. Shall be well with you.
Amen.
God will bless you. Amen. Bless you. Till there will be no room to contend it.
Amen.
You shall be fruitful.
Amen.
You will born children.
Listen, guess what? The Buyo family is planning a very big wedding that is going to keep people talking. And the truth is that I do not even know how to handle this. Oh my God.
Oh, Mama. I don't want to do it. Let them talk for all I care. It is not easy to have a very beautiful daughter who is also a lawyer.
Mommy! You can say that again, Mommy. Of
course. Yes.
Okay. We've not said anything about the Ashipi. Or is that not why I'm here?
I know, but just calm down, Mama. I know you're going to take care of everything we will eat that day. The drinks, the food, everything. I trust you now, Mama. I know what you can do.
Relax. Don't get headache for that. As my only daughter, I will arrange all the arrangements just for you. In this our community, how many lawyers do we have?
Hey, Mama! Only you!
No be dogo kwe poto.
Bye, Mama.
Bye, Mama.
Mommy, I trust you. I know what you can do. Mama. Hey!
And the bar association, you've not informed me about the color of the day. Or are we not buying materials?
Calm down. Do not worry, okay? See, let me tell you, there's this beautiful bag I saw the other day. Hey, I'm going to get it. I will rock it on that day. It's so beautiful. You need to see the color.
Chidima, forget what you have seen. I'm sure the prince would have ordered some luxury bags
Oh
for
my
you.
God, you can
Forget about that one, girl.
Yeah, you can say that again.
I mean, I can't wait.
Say that again.
I'm so happy.
Again. Thank you very much.
Thank you. I can't wait. Seriously. Oh, I should be loaded.
Hello, my friend. How are you doing? Oh my God.
What is this again? How are you asking this kind of question? That they come now. You walk up. When you look at it, you know, unless you're not more interested in it. Why are you asking this kind of question? Unless you don't want to buy again.
It's not like I don't want to buy. How much are you selling them?
Okay. I don't want to say 1,200 or 1,000. I don't want to price you. Just give me 800.
800. It's too much now.
For one basket of corn.
Why not?
What is it? Odua Kedihon.
Akudo, who authorized you to go and harvest this corn? When you see Jeno familiar and Benedict talk and that, you don't know that before ever you go there, you must take permission from me.
In your capacity as what? I'm asking you. Okay. Hey. One name. Oracle. Hey. So I am supposed to come with kola nut, snap, yams, even this corn to come and appease the oracle. The corn that I planted myself.
Akudo, ina anwa mongu ekwesu na Job.
Why again?
Ekwesu makosi anwa Job. Job makosi emeri ekwesu. I owe you. I own this corn.
Which corn?
Not to ever, if you try me, If you try me, this con is going home with me.
Ako ka may nebu. Dakutu fara na wa.
Kini fara na wa.
Ako ka may
nebu fara na wa.
Fara na wa.
Ako fara na wa.
You come to that corn that you do not plant. You did plant this corn. Is it in any way your own? I'm not joking.
Madam, please, if it's not 500, please let me buy. Let me go. Let me go, I beg. I beg. Let peace reign, please. Let peace reign. You're quiet. Where was it?
Where was it? Eh? I'm a param ganya.
You put.
I'm a param ganya. Okwagi. Okwagi.
Okay, good. You can get up.
Give me. Give me. Give me.
You will pay for this. You will pay. I'm Biko. Don't even beg, don't plead, but you must pay for this. Not even your way. You must pay.
Oh, Wadim. He said we'll pay for it.
I'm Biko.
Biko.
I'm Biko.
Hey, let me bring what I will use and pay. I'm beg you, Biko. Just I'm not. Oh, just wait. Let me. Hey. Oh, Adimo. I will pay.
Hey!
Come on, stand here. Let me. Yes. No. The one I told you about. Yes. That's exactly what I want. Yeah. Please, let me call you back. My child, come this way. Come and sit here. You.
Thank you. Mother.
You're scared.
I'm so happy to be part of this royal family. I'm so excited.
You always welcome, my child.
Thank you.
Now I can rest very well, knowing that our future queen has taken charge of all the responsibilities in this palace.
Oh, thank you, Mother. Thank you.
You're welcome once again.
Thank you.
That reminds me, where is Cheta? Did he say where he went to?
No, Mother. He has not returned.
Very well then. Tomorrow, I will introduce you to the Council of Women.
Mother!
What?
You know I'm shy.
No, you
How can I face them?
You don't have to be shy. It's a normal protocol. Tradition demands that every new queen be introduced.
Wow.
I recall the first day I stepped into this palace. The Queen Mother took me around and introduced me to the Council of Women. You need to see her.
Greetings, Your Majesty. The ingredients for preparing dinner is ready.
Please, can I go and prepare the dinner? Please, do not say no.
Can you do it?
Yes, I'm a very good cook. Yes.
Very well then.
Okay.
You can go and cook it.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay, let's go.
Let me show you to the kitchen.
Show me. I know the kitchen already. Let's go.
Oh, I love this girl. Of course I like it.
Thank you.
Very good cook. It's really nice.
Oh, you can say that again.
So you made the right choice.
You can say that again.
I made the right choice for having us my friend.
Oh,
Alright.
Stop it.
Okay.
Help me. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay. I think I want to give you something. I'll give it to you. Stick.
Take it. Please give to him. Okay, take. Take. Okay, thank you. Wow. Okay, I know someone is not jealous here. Don't worry, I'll make something like this again tomorrow. Every day. Every day. Every day. This is what you're going to be getting here every day. Stop playing. Oh. Don't worry. I know you are going.
No, must you go?
Yes, I will. See, I just want to go to the office, then go to the village, see my mother. I'll be back.
Is that a promise?
Don't miss me too much. I know you're gonna miss me.
My prince. How are you, Namdi?
Prince, I'm fine, no.
My queen.
Good evening. Sweetheart, I have to go right now, so do not miss me too much.
My prince, I'm still here.
I have to go now.
Drive safe.
I'll see you. Come here. I'll see you.
Drive safe.
I will.
Hi. My prince. See, my prince, if I grow up, I would like to be like you.
When you marry a masterpiece like I did, you will know how it feels.
Hey, very special.
We have something to discuss.
Hey, my prince. Hey, my prince.
Get me 2 seats. Just send it my promise. Alright, so
my prince.
my prince. See, my prince.
We are mobilizing more men.
I see.
Men who are interested for the skill acquisition.
That's very good. Very good. You should mobilize as many men as you can. As you already know, this is the initiative of the Federal Republic, coming through by one of our members representing us in the House of Assembly. We must cooperate with them.
My prince. My prince, you are talking as if you don't trust me. You know what I'm capable of doing. Leave this to me. Leave this matter. Leave it for me.
I know I can always count on you.
My prince.
Let me show you something.
Hey, my prince, come with me. My prince, my prince. Hey! My prince, are you okay?
Must have been a mistake.
Okay.
I was going to show you something. Yeah, hello? Yes, this is Prince Chetan, and why are you yelling?
What? What are you talking about? Whose wife? Listen, my wife just slept by you. What are you talking about? Whose wife? Now listen to me. Where is this hospital? Tell me the address! Alright, I'm coming away. I'm coming right away! Where's my key? Get me my key!
My prince.
Get me my key!
My prince.
I don't know, they just called me that my wife just had an accident! Hey! Chibo, get me my key!
The prince, I just saw. No.
Get my key! Open the gate! Yeah, open that gate! Open my gate! Open the gate!
I'm coming with you, my prince. I'm coming with you.
Nurse, please. Where is my wife?
Who's your wife?
Don't ask me where is my wife. You called me now that my wife was rushed here, that she had an accident. Where is my wife? Where is my wife?
Oh, my prince.
Doctor, thank you. Doctor, please. I was told that my wife was brought here. She had an accident. Please, is this the right hospital?
You're not mistaken. She's here.
Oh, please calm down. Thank God she's here. Oh, thank God she's here. Doctor, how is she? Doctor, where is my wife? Doctor, is it my wife that you're doing? Where is my wife?
Calm down.
Did I ask you to come down? Where is my wife?
My prince, I'd like to see you. I'd like to talk to you. Please, just come to me.
Calm down.
Calm down. Everything is under control. Please.
My prince, follow him. Just follow him.
Calm. Everything is under control. Just calm down. Calm down. My prince.
Tears cannot help me now. Power is useless right now. Nowhere to hide, nowhere to run from the things I have done. I wish I could cry it all away. No, but
Hello, son. How is Chidinma your wife? He lost his wife.
Where is my daughter? So, you have killed my daughter? Where is my daughter? Where is my daughter? My daughter, please. Leave me alone, my daughter. You killed my daughter, Motra. You Motra. You killed her with me. Leave me. My only daughter.
Madam, please.
Leave me alone. Leave me. You killed my daughter. Motra, you killed my daughter. You.
Not again.
My king! God! My king! What's going on here? What happened? My king! Father! Father! God!
Highness!
Father!
Go and get the cat you put your head and
My king! My king! Father! Where is the king? What happened? Look at you! I don't know. Father! My king! My king! Where are you? The warrior! Cassie!
Cheta, you have to be strong. Remember, you are now the arrowhead, the beacon of hope, not just for your family, but for the whole of Omokala kingdom. No one should see any sign of weakness in you now. My friend, please take heart, okay? I beg to take my leave. Oh no.
It's okay.
Our king was a brave man. Night has befallen us earlier than expected. The lone tree that makes a large forest has fallen. Our hero is gone. The light of Omokala has suddenly gone off.
Igwe. Omokala has been left in the middle of deep blue sea. Hey, Nkuti Jere, Omokala Jimono is not gone.
Princess, I don't even know what to say. How could such a tragedy befall your wonderful family? And your father, such a nice man.
Solomon, I still can't fathom it. My father, my sister-in-law. Tell me, where has my family gone wrong? What have we done to deserve this kind of tragedy?
It's okay. I just want to assure you that everything happens for a reason. It's called fate.
Did I just hear you say fate? Fate. And that so-called fate had to land at my door. My own family door. Salome, will my family ever know happiness? Are we ever going to know joy?
Come on. Give up. Don't speak like that. You're stronger than pain. I know you, girl. You can pull through this. Everything will be fine in due time. You will see. I promise you.
Have you seen my mom?
Hanging there.
Jesus. She's so devastated.
I know.
Tears cannot help me now. Power is useless right now. Nowhere to hide, nowhere to run from the things I have done. I wish I could cry it all away. No, but tears cannot help me now. Everything done in the darkness.
Why are you here? What have you come to do? Oh, have you come to kill me the same way you killed my daughter?
Mama, why would you say such a thing? You and I know how much I loved your daughter.
No, leave my compound. Princess, I said leave my compound now. You have robbed my heart. You have caused me much pain by killing my daughter. My only daughter.
Ogo, please.
You know, Ogo. Will you recognize your in-law if you see her?
We feel your pains. We also feel the same pains. That is why we are here to commiserate with you, please.
It's okay. No problem. Wait, I am coming. You people should leave.
My mothers, please help.
Go.
Help us.
Go.
You're...
Oh, they are still here. Hello.
I am your prince. I am your prince. Hello. I am your prince.
You know what? I feel like I'm
I can hear you. Listen, I gave you my word, alright? I gave you my word. To walk out, alright? Hold on, let me hold you back. Princess Annabelle.
Tocho, it's me.
Princess Annabelle.
We have...
Oh my God, I can't...
Oh my God! Where have you been? I mean, it's been years.
Yeah, I know. I just got into the country a while back.
Oh.
And Princess, you're looking as breathtakingly beautiful as you've always been.
Please stop.
Yes.
You're not looking bad at all.
Ah, really?
Yes, I actually came to pick up some few, trendy things. Did you come for shopping?
Yeah, sorry. I came to pick up a few things. And I'm really glad I ran into you. I have a plan. Why don't we go somewhere and sit down and talk? What do you think?
I don't understand, like right now.
Princess, see, I've not seen you in forever. And now, these lucky eyes have the ample opportunity of beholding this beauty.
Oh,
I'd rather we don't end it in a hurry. Okay?
Okay,
Just a few drinks, that's all.
That's all.
That's all.
You say so.
I say so.
Let's go.
Hi! Nke a bụ nkwụ. Oge ruru efe. Nke a bụ ihe ndị Igbo na-akpọ ịṅụcha ya nkịta agbụgbọ ụja.
Ịṅụcha ya nkịta agbụgbọ ụja.
Gbaga mmụọ. Ekwu nkịtị ekwu. Hey! Ebe ka isi bute nkwụ a?
Well, one of my boys did. No.
Where do I start from? Words cannot express my gratitude towards all you did for me during the funeral of my father and my late wife. On behalf of the royal family, I must say a very big thank you. No, thank you.
You're welcome, my prince. The whole Umukala was in sadness. In your father, I personally lost a friend, a good friend of high integrity and goodwill, who will miss him for a long time. May his soul continue to rest in peace. To the reason I am here. It is time you step into your father's shoes and take over from him.
Oh no, honestly, you scared the living daylight out of me. Of course, I'm aware of the responsibilities that awaits me. And I am ready.
You are not. You are not ready, my prince.
How do you mean?
First and foremost, you must find a girl and get married. Then other tradition will follow.
Oh no, with all due respect, marriage is the last thing I want to talk about.
No, you can't say that, my prince. You were supposed to have been crowned immediately your father was put into the ground. Leaving the throne vacant is giving room for others to eye it.
No. Marriage is a no for me right now. Not until I find out the mystery behind the deaths of my wives. Marriage is completely ruled out. If you don't mind, I have serious business to attend to.
Hey, Mukala. Nsubudiwa. Hey!
Why is he talking like that? Does he realize he's risking the throne of his fathers?
Prince Cheta does not care anymore. You can see his anger from his looks. He refused to see reason at all.
Why is he taking out his frustration on the throne? If he's not interested, he should indicate, so that we can go ahead and choose from another family. Yeah, oh no. Gwakenem, this is man to man.
Why are you talking like that, Ichi? But you know it is impossible for us to choose from another family. Besides, anybody that has been hit from all sides is bound to make the same decision.
Oh. We have to talk to him. We have to talk to him. He has no choice than to get out there and get a wife for himself. That is just the point.
Well, all I can say now is that time will heal the wound of the mind.
Well, kind of learn.
This must be so good. It's been long since I see such light in your eyes.
What are you talking about?
Come on, girl, spill. Who's this guy? Do I know him?
You don't know him. You don't give up, do you? Whatever. Anyways, he was my classmate back in the days. He was a bully, you know, he was always bullying me and all that. That's all I can say for now.
But now he craves to eat from your palms. I see your powers, girl.
Stop it. You don't know how to tease people, don't you? Okay, fine. I had 1 or 2 drinks with this guy and trust me, I laughed my tummy out. Like, he has this rich sense of humor. I think that's one thing I like about him.
And I see you didn't notice it back in school because you guys were probably teenagers then.
You're so annoying. Just stop it. Okay, fine. Oh, Jesus. I think I'm falling in love with this guy.
Oh, good. Hallelujah, somebody.
Just stop it.
Are you kidding me? I'm so happy for you, for real.
Thank you. Please drink up your drink.
I hope there's more where this came from.
Huh?
Come on, this is a palace. Don't expect me to just have this one drink.
Mother, it is my life and not yours. I will live my life the way I think fit. Not you, not anyone can change that. What is going on? Why isn't anyone trying to understand me? How many more? Don't tell me. How many more am I to marry? How many more has to die before you understand my plight? It is not happening. I won't do it. If you don't mind, excuse me, Mom.
Will you stop right there?
What has come over you? Why have you decided to tarnish the image of this family?
When you say tarnish the image of this family, what do you mean?
You talk about life. I gave you this life. If I had gotten rid of you, you wouldn't have this life. If I had not married your father, you would not have this life. And you talk about life. I
I am your life. You will get married. You will fix this. Because you're going to be crowned king. I do not know how you're going to do it. But you must do it!
What do you want, mother?
Eh? Mom. Oh, my head some voices. What's going on? Why are you crying?
Your brother has decided to destroy the solid foundation your father built for him.
What are you saying?
He had the courage to tell me that marriage is postponed till further notice. Your father will be turning in his grave.
Mommy, trust me, Cheta will come around.
When? Any more delays from him will cause problem to this family.
Okay, fine. Just stop crying. Is this why you're crying your eyes out? I'll talk to him. I promise, I cross my heart.
Please do.
I'll talk to him. Just stop crying. You can't be doing this to yourself. It's okay. It's okay, mommy.
What would I do to you?
I have this thing. I just noticed. There's this thing about your beauty. It gets better every time I see
Just stop it.
I'm serious.
Stop it.
You have many talents, but flattery is not one of them.
Ah, that's like your top one.
I'm happy to
You're happy you have my heart, so you're happy because you have me?
I know my heart belongs to you, but the question is, your heart, who does it belong to?
How come you're so sure?
I'm asking, it should be me. It should be me.
At first it's you. What do we have? Thank you.
Hello.
Welcome.
Thank you.
How are you?
Fine.
Sorry. Salome, meet my heartthrob Dochko. Dochko, meet my silly friend, Salome.
Hello, Salome.
How are you doing?
It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Although my friend here was pretty economical in her description, you didn't tell me he was so handsome.
Ah, shit, don't use that. Don't.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it, okay?
Yeah. I thought she was silly.
You know what? I just have an idea right now. Why don't I take you beautiful ladies to somewhere cool where we can vibe out, you know, chill, catch fun. You need to
Calm
know
down, babe. I am not an adult person. And you know it. Yes, it makes a whole lot of sense, but I don't think we can.
Sweetheart, I know. But you need to give me some time to get to know you better. Alright? We need to just hang out a little bit. Salome, can you help me?
Say no more. You're going to change and we're going out. Loosen up, girl. Come on. Baby. You'll be fine. Okay. Just give her a few minutes.
I'll be here. Waiting.
Yes.
I'm not going anywhere.
Okay.
He is not the first to be a widower. I don't know why he developed such cold feet towards marriage. He should understand that the throne is at stake.
No, that's the problem. He has refused to reason with anyone, and he doesn't care.
We have to trade with caution, else we will sink with the ship.
No, the ship is already sinking, and you know we do not have time anymore.
I understand. Inasmuch as we must trade with caution, he must be persuaded to do the needful.
No, you're right.
I don't know why everyone is having problems. Very soon my name is going to be in the Guinness Book of Records as one who has buried the highest number of wives in a short time.
God forbid. My prince, I said God forbid. Our late king, your father, was loved by everybody. Because we care so much. That's why we are joining voices to ask you to pick another wife.
Even you. What is wrong with all of you? Are you out of your mind? Now tell me, which sane father would give out his daughter to a man that has buried 2 wives within a short time?
My prince, you are getting this all wrong. No one is blaming you for their death. My prince.
Honestly, I don't know what to think anymore. I think maybe tell me something because my ideas are running out. What do you think I should do?
Calm. My prince. Calm yourself and let things work themselves out. Most importantly, don't rule out the possibility of marriage. Because of the throne.
Over 20 palm trees that are ready for harvest. Okay, the farm you say I should call people to help me cultivate. They have gone more than halfway and I have not paid anybody. Sitting in my ego. Get this in Kenya, just get go. You name music, I got seen over. Now, give me. Oh no. Oh no. This one you are boiling like
everything is the problem. Everything is the problem.
How is your family?
Leave my family matter here now. Have you heard the latest?
Latest? You know I don't listen to gossips.
This is no gossip, no. This is no gossip.
Mayo, be a kaje no land.
As in a member, we make a lot of chief. This is no gossip. It is no gossip. You remember the state government community development pledge, where the government said they will give every community 20 million.
Yes, what about it?
They have started disbursement, and our community Umukala is yet to receive anything.
But that's not possible. We are the most senior in the community of Irebonano.
The most senior. And what is happening now? The first is now the last. We are losing. We are losing, Onowu. And the reason is that our throne is vacant. This is the only opportunity our youths have to make little money. And what is happening?
But there's this...
No but there, Onowu. No but. Prince Cheta has spread his padlock across the whole villages. And everybody is furious.
Look, just calm down. Let us look at this thing from a different angle. From a holistic view.
It is not holy. There is no holistic view here now. No, let me tell you. If that prince, that boy, has refused to settle down and be made the king, I suggest you pick somebody from my family, the Ejuzu Wakike family, and make him the king.
Nanya, you know you have hot temper. We will solve this problem.
We have a lot of people that can stand there and be made king, and we are just wasting time. Oh no, we become no. Me know something in Ngwangwano. Like I said. Biko, this is in your hand to do it. Biko, we are losing.
On my way here, I saw some people revolting, coming towards this palace. What's going on?
I should be asking you what is going on. First, you walk in here, top of your voice. Now you're telling me that some youths revolting. What is going on? Oh no, thank goodness you're here. What is this I hear? No, what is this I hear that some youths are heading towards the palace revolting?
Well, you are the cause.
I don't understand. How am I the cause?
My prince, before now, our community is always the first to receive palliatives from the state government. But that cannot happen now because we don't have a king. Pick a wife and end all this.
No. What else do you want me to do? What haven't I done? I see. It is unbelievable that the throne is more important to you all than my happiness.
So what are you going to do to save the situation now?
I would go talk to them.
No, it's dangerous.
No, they are my people. Leave them to me.
My dear, that was so close.
Yeah.
Now I believe Prince Cheta is full of wisdom, just like his father.
It is a man's word. Besides, the youth were irrational in their judgment. Only the gods know their next step.
My dear, talking about the next step, Prince Cheta needs to get married and be crowned as the king. Else, it will be too late.
If you ask for my opinion, I would suggest that the prince should be given some space.
Talking about space? What space are you talking about? Please, let's move before they come and catch us here.
Come and help me.
Icheude, we thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for the collar.
Yes.
And thank you for welcoming us into your house.
You are welcome.
This shows that our journey will be fruitful.
Yes.
Because the Igbo say that when a man comes to your house and you present him with collar, it means you have accepted him.
Oh, yes. Yes.
We are here because we saw a very beautiful fruit in your house and we want to pluck it.
You are welcome. Thank you. Very, very interesting. As you can see, I have many fruits in my compound. Which of them are you referring to?
Hey! Imani have a gunkita. Onyeda, ibe adari. Owedi ka mmadụ na mmadụ na-emegbu. Our prince, the crowned heir to Umukala kingdom, is here to ask for your daughter, Obianuju's hand in marriage. Auntie was any Bako Igbo Super.
Obianuju, my own daughter. My daughter Obianuju.
Yeah.
My prince.
My in-law. You are welcome.
Oriaku. Call Obianuju. Boy, Nabia.
My prince, you are welcome. You are welcome. Hey.
My Juma is here.
Greetings, my elders.
Mama.
Greetings, my prince.
Greetings.
Her Majesty.
Greetings to you, my child.
That's the one.
My prince, you are welcome again. You are welcome once again. Impressive. Very, very impressive.
You are welcome once again.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
It is said that we want to get an elephant. We cut it into pieces so that it can go around. You people allow me to have a talk with my brother and my wife. Oh, I can. I'm a many Israel. Wait.
My prince, my in-law, very impressive. Kajevia.
Is this necessary?
That's the tradition. They'll soon be back. Give them a little time.
What is happening?
Nothing, my brother.
I want us to have an understanding. Nothing.
Which understanding are you people talking about? But I will not allow Prince Chetan to marry my only daughter.
But we have already accepted their drinks. We should think about this thing very well.
Like there's nothing to think about. There's nothing to think about. Thank God the drains are not yet open.
Yes.
They can as well go back with it.
Let them carry that one and go.
Una.
If you want to support them, Nekoza.
Biggie.
Ona.
Ona! Why you mad I'm no
What else is there to say? No, tell me, what else is there to say? Isn't it obvious that this marriage will not work? Did you see how the fellow was looking at me? So mean! Have you seen anyone as mean as that? So mean! What else do you want me to say? Let us go.
Cheta, you really need to calm down right now. Just calm down, put yourself together. What is all this? Just put yourself together.
That's all
They will come back. Just put yourself together. Okay?
That's all you have to say.
Just...
Oh no! Let's look. We've been here for a while now and still they haven't finished their God knows what kind of meeting.
What if they come out and meet our absence? It is not wise to live without a word of goodbye. It is untraditional.
Yes.
My son, Olowu is right. Yes.
Oh no. Oh no! Isn't it obvious that there is no marriage here? It will not work! Can't you see the handwriting on the wall? Isn't it visible enough? We had two men here. One kept a mean face all through, and that's the father of the bride in question. He kept a mean face. He did not smile until he left. And the other one only said one word. Impressive, impressive, very impressive. The only impressive thing I think we should do now is to get out of here while we still can.
My prince, please let us not assume things. Maybe if we wait a little bit, we will get a response from them.
Yes. Exactly. That is why we brought you here, to wait. So wait. No. Get me out of here.
Mom? Our findings I have done. Shall we? Cheta, you really need to calm down.
Can we just go? What are you doing there?
Where are you going? Where else? My husband's house. Since you people don't want to accept my bride price, let me go and meet him on higher purchase. By the time I'm pregnant, you will have no option than to accept him.
Ujuma, are you out of your senses? Look at this one. We are trying to save her life and you are here telling me rubbish.
Save my life. It is my life. It is my death. If I want to die, let me die. You people did not even seek for my consent before rejecting him.
Okoro elu heru wabogodo. Ikuku bulia. Oburu wagodo.
Ifuri ikuku ahụ, ya buga na palace.
What is that? Yes.
Quick! Take pitch box inside. Hey, Papa, you think I entered night bus from Lagos to this place to come and stay in this God-forsaken house? I am here for me to marry the prince. That is the reason why I came back. And not just to marry the prince, so that bloggers can carry me. If you blog as that, una no go see us. You are not coming. You can blow with Buramus. We can blow with Buramus. So bad. Who be our digimma?
Definitely not for me. Now you see why marriage is a no-go area for me henceforth. Now did you see how I was embarrassed? Did you see how I was humiliated like a fool?
Calm down, my prince. It's one of those things. You don't need to get yourself worked up right now. It's one of those things. Here.
No, it's not one of those things. They will pay. They will pay so dearly for humiliating the throne and I.
Put yourself together. Just put yourself together. Everything will be alright, okay? Put yourself together.
Everything will not be alright, Benson. Everything will not be alright. This is what I keep telling you, but no one will listen. No one.
Well, like I said, just pull yourself together and stop all this. I beg to take my leave right now. I'll see you later.
I've come to be with my husband. Since they don't want to accept my bride price, please allow me to marry the prince free of charge. When I'm pregnant, they will have no option than to accept him by force.
What is going on here? What is this fuse about?
To be honest with you.
What are you doing here? What are you doing here?
My daughter, I can understand your feelings. But your parents have to give their blessings before you'll be able to stay here. You can see we are royalty. And we are custodians of the tradition of this land. We can never be found going contrary to the tradition of this land. God.
Yes, my queen.
Take her back to her father's house.
Alright, my queen.
No, you have to go.
Madam, this way.
My queen, I don't think I can survive this. I will die before they have a change of mind.
You will not die, my child. Nothing will happen to you.
What is it? What is it?
Mother, can't you see? This is where I belong.
Mother, please just let me be. Annabelle! Mother, let me be! What is all this? Just let me be, please.
about time you let Cheta be. Stop bugging him with all this your marriage stuff. Let the sleeping dog slide, period. And risk losing the throne to another family. Mother, let me ask you this question. How many more funerals do you want to have in this family? No, tell me, how many more ladies do you want to die in the hands of Cheta? Which family would even give out their daughter's hand in marriage to Cheta, especially now that all these things are happening? Which? No family! Your son is jinxed. Annabelle! I forbid you to even think that my son is jinxed! Mother, that is the truth. Take it or leave it. Keep the truth on the cliff, it will still fly away. Put it in the deepest part of the ocean, it will still arise. Let's not talk about setting it in ablaze. Mother, set it ablaze, it will still survive. Can't you say the truth? Your son is jinxed, period. This dynasty, your father's legacy cannot be cut short. Annabelle, I disagree with you sometimes because I have faith. Mother, your faith will not save you this time around. If you want something good from your son, Cheta, you should also do something good as a mother. Not bugging the young man with marriage like... Lest I forget. Mother, the last time I checked, your husband is long gone. Why haven't you remarried? Or are you also changed? Annabelle!
You have been staying here all day. You refuse to eat your food. I'm not hungry.
My daughter, why are you hurting yourself? For the past 2 days, all you do is sit, mourn, refuse to eat or do anything in this house. Or do you plan to starve yourself?
Yes. As long as I'm not allowed to marry Prince Cheta, I will starve myself.
My daughter, listen. I and your father can never deceive you. At least you should listen to us and save your life.
Life? Which life? Is this what you call life? Managing packaging? Do you even know how I struggle to survive in Lagos? Do you? By the way, who even told you my life is in danger? What is even wrong with you people? Can't you see the light that is about to shine forth in this family? Why are you stopping me from being the queen of this land?
Ujunwa. 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 Ijiji, Ntike, forget this madness of yours getting married to Chetam or whatever you called him. He is cursed.
Now who are you to decide who is cursed or not? I love him and that's what matters. Listen, Mama, I'm not going to raise my finger or touch anything in this house until you send word to the royal family.
Ujunwa! Uju!
What's going on here? I mean, what's going on here for goodness sake?
It's Ujunwa. For the past 2 days now, she refused to eat or do anything in this house.
That is her own cup of tea. Ujunwa is our daughter, and her place here is to obey her parents.
But tonight she will hurt herself.
That time, her eyes will be open. Don't start with me, woman. We agreed she will never marry to Prince Cheta, and on that I stand. Besides, Ujunwa is our only daughter. Listen, be careful.
But tonight,
I'm going to do it.
Ujunwa should listen to us now. Forget about Prince or whatever they call him.
Tears cannot help me now. Power is useless right now.
Ujunwa, I'm going to the market. Take care of it. Yeah. Ujunwa. Ujunwa, if you want to sleep, go inside. Ujunwa.
Ujunwa! 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 Hey! Somebody help! Ujunwa! Somebody help! Somebody help!
Hey! Ujunwa! Ujunwa! Jima!
Let's take her to the hospital. Please, let's take her to the hospital.
Tears cannot help me now. Power is useless right now. Nowhere to hide, nowhere to run from the things I have done. I wish I could cry it all away. No, but tears cannot help me now. Everything done in the darkness shall surely come to the light. It's too late to say I'm sorry. It's too late to beg. Oh, tears cannot help me now.
Why is no one talking to us? Eh? We have been here since no one is even looking at us. Hi.
Probably. They have no news on our daughter's condition. We have to wait.
Fine. I'm afraid though.
Eh?
Yes. How are you sure that Obianuju will survive this?
She will.
But why would she want to take her life? Eh? Why?
Woman, calm down. Stop crying. Eh? Stop panicking. I have every confidence she will survive.
Oh no.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
You're here. Greetings to you, Ono. Please sit.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
What is so urgent that you wanted to see me for?
Early this morning, Your Majesty, the parents of our girl came pleading that Prince Cheta should come out to his wife.
Oh no. Are you sure?
I've never been this sure, Your Majesty.
That's good. Isn't this what you've been praying for? Prince Cheta needs to get married so he can be crowned king as soon as possible.
That's correct, Your Majesty. The throne of Umukala cannot be left vacant.
Yes, you're right.
Do we need to consult the prince first?
No. No! How can you say a thing like that? My son doesn't need to be consulted. We have to proceed with the traditional marriage rites as soon as possible. You know, time waits for nobody. If there's anything you have to do for things to work out fast, do not hesitate to do that. Go on and say it, please.
I've heard, Your Majesty.
So happy you know. Thank you so much. What again are we talking about?
I've never been so happy like this in my entire life. Honestly, marrying Prince Cheta has been a dream come true for me.
You can say that again. I mean, I am so happy for you. Getting married to my brother Cheta, it's one of the best things you've done, trust me. You know, I wish you guys everything good. I wish you laughter. Lots of babies. and everything will work out in life. So, tell me, where did you school? What did you study in school?
Actually, I I knew my parents didn't have money to take care of me, so I trained myself.
That's amazing.
Oh yes, I really did. I mean, I really outdid myself.
So you studied
I went to Open University and I never mind. It's not really important.
I don't even mind. Okay, that's by the way. What do you do for fun? I mean, your leisure time. What do you do that makes you have, so much joy? What do you do that makes you happy?
Oh, well, I love life.
Everybody loves life.
I love life and everything that makes life beautiful. Yes, I love to party and I love to dance. I love to club. Oh yes, I love to club and smoke the shit out of my life.
I get you. Hey, I wanted to tell you, I wanted to take you around the palace this way.
Thank you. Grandmother. Oh, here you are. I've been meaning to show you this. What do you think?
Wow. This is beautiful. Where did you get it from?
Oh, from one of those sites. But I think it's beautiful too. But then I also think it's too local for my taste.
Oh, it's really good on you. You really make a wonderful bride.
Oh, I know that.
Put those legs down. You don't cross your legs before the queen.
So sorry about that. So like I was saying, I want to look my best on that day. I want to be the most gorgeous queen ever lived.
Hello? That's not yours. Put it down.
So sorry, Queen Mother. So, as I was saying, I want to look spectacular on that day. So when I step out, the whole world will have Queen Obianuju Chatanda Indika.
I am still the queen.
So sorry, Queen Mother. I'll be in my room while I check out the rest of the stuff. Continue in my room later.
Hello,
Hi.
Salome. How are you doing?
I'm good.
You said you wanted to see me, but we have to rush because I have an appointment with Annabelle and the family.
Tochiko, calm down.
Okay, I'm calm.
No one rushes to their own funeral,
Salome, what are you talking about?
So you're not aware about the curse in Annabelle's family?
Curse? What are you insinuating?
I see I have your attention.
Yeah, you do.
The royal family is cursed. And anyone who talks about marriage in that family dies immediately.
Is this some kind of a joke or test or something?
So you're not aware about the curse in Annabelle's family?
A curse? What are you insinuating?
The royal family is cursed. And anyone who talks about marriage in that family dies immediately. Annabelle's brother has lost about 3 wives in a very short period of time.
3 wives. Salome, now I know you're joking, because it's not possible. It's practically not possible.
Look, I am telling you the truth. I'm not saying that you shouldn't marry Annabelle. But I promise you, you won't last 2 days. Yes. Why am I even telling you anything? You can go around and ask questions and find out for yourself. Everyone knows about this. The royal family is cursed. And if you decide to proceed with this thing with Annabelle and trying to marry her, I promise you, you'll be marked for death.
Salome, can I ask you a question?
Go ahead.
What exactly do you stand to gain by trying to fill my head with all this bull crap? What?
Have I been talking to a stick?
No, I just don't believe you. Like I told you, I have an appointment with Annabelle and the family.
Wait a minute. I have to get here. Obianuju! Obianuju! They will never change. Always late. Obianuju!
So sorry. Sorry. So, tell me, how do I look, my prince?
We are late.
And where are you going?
What do you mean by where am I going? Haven't you wasted enough time? Can we just get going?
Baby, come on. Baby.
What is the meaning of all this? Can we just get going?
My bag.
Your bag, so? Go and get your bag.
No, I can't. I don't want to stress myself. My makeup will break.
So what is going to happen?
Can you get it for me?
You are out of your mind. Is something wrong with you? Have you suddenly forgotten who I am? I am the prince. I should go get you your bag. Have you lost it?
But you love me.
Oh, all right. What can I do now? The bag. Which of them? You know you have a lot.
Oh, the silver one. The one you bought for me yesterday. I think I like it better.
I like it. I should go get the bag.
Yes, baby. Thank you, baby. Thank you, my prince.
That's your bag. I've given you your bag, so what are we waiting for? Can we just get going? Listen, I'm not finding this funny anymore. I am not finding this funny anymore. If you don't want to go, tell me, let me proceed. What is all this? I've had enough of this nonsense. Alright. Since you don't want to go, fine. Alright. I'm sorry. It's not like I enjoy shouting. It's just that I'm running out of time and you're not helping matters. Can we just go, please? At least now you have your bag. Let us go. Alright, I'll be more gentle. Please, Obianuju, my love. Can we go? Benji, I'm not finding this funny. Please. Can we... Obianuju. Obianuju. Obianuju! Obianuju! Honestly, I don't like things like this, alright? Don't joke with me! Enough of this joke! Obianuju! 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 Oh my God! Obianuju! God! 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 No, she's not moving! She's not moving! You're asking what happened to her! She's not moving! She's sleeping! Will you get her up to the hospital, please? Obianuju! What am I paying for? I'm the one carrying her! I'm the one! Open the gate! Open the gate!
What's up? What's good?
What am I hearing? What is it that I heard? Hello! My wife! What is it that I heard? What happened to Junwa? My daughter! Hey! What a tragedy! Hey! What is it that I heard? What happened to Junwa? To sympathize with you, of course. Hey! Oh! Very tragic! Oh, Junwa! Why are you pushing me? Why are you pushing me? Why do you want to kill me? Just to sympathize with you. No, you never. Just to sympathize with you. Leave me like you could say. Why? Who do you want my Hey!
Baba, anabato wanoso, bebe, ade.